In this video, we'll talk about all the important information you need to know about the group project. So you have learned many applications of AI in our societies. For example, AI in finance, AI in games, AI in insurance, as well as the examples you learned in engineering. So do you have any idea how to apply AI in the area that you are interested in? Let me give you some examples. In this project, our group is going to use AI to develop a health monitoring device. The device makes use of data of 20,000 people and aims at learning how to diagnose our health condition via our pulse. Another example. In this project, our group is going to use AI to develop a book creator program. The program will learn from 20,000 literature from the East and the West in different time periods. It will then generate the best book ever. However, not all usage of technology involves AI. For example, computerizing cinema ticketing systems is not considered as an application of AI. Vending machine is also not considered as an application of AI. In order to make sure that you're on the right track, that means you're not going to tell me that a vending machine makes use of AI, then you have to submit a half-page plan. So the due date of the half-page plan will be March 19, 2021 at 16:55. The link is already created on Moodle. In the project plan, you're required to write down your group members' names and UIDs, your tutorial group. Say, for example, you're on Wednesday, 9:30 a.m. A brief discussion of your idea to be developed. So this is similar to the examples that I've just given. Project plan counts 5% towards your final grade, and it is a group work. That means only one student needs to submit the project plan through Moodle. If two students submit the same project plan, then Turnitin will flag you having 100% similarity. So now you have an idea, but developing new applications may need financial backup. This is why we need to solicit funding from angel fund managers or the clouds. So what kind of applications should you consider? Be imaginative, as this is where you can unleash your creativity. But you will also need to face problems from real world. For example, maybe you will need to convince investors about the potential benefits of your project. Your group is aware of the huge potential of those websites to raise funds from the general public, for example, Kickstarter, and you would like to give it a try while uploading a video about your idea to those websites. You create a video of 3 minutes for uploading to those crowdfunding websites. Well, of course, we are going to upload it on Moodle. As you know that the videos that are too long cannot get enough attention from the audience. So this presentation counts 25% towards your final grade. This comprises 10% from your peers and 15% from me. Grading rubrics will be uploaded to Moodle in due course. Your group have to upload the link of your video to the course forum in Moodle by 14:30 on April 21st, 2021. Remember to include your names and your group number, which I will assign later to the video. What I suggest is, you can upload your video to YouTube, and then you make the setting that only people with the link can view it. Later on, you can put the link on the course forum. So each group will assess all other groups' work. Each group is required to pick at least one crowdfunding video and pose at least one question concerning the idea presented in the video in the course forum. And each crowdfunding campaign, please respond to the questions received to dispel any doubts about your idea. One-page proposal. So imagine that there are two different scenarios. After you send your videos to the angel investor, then he or she is interested in your idea, and he or she asks you to write a one-page proposal about your idea for more formal consideration. Or your crowdfunding video is trending. The crowdfunding websites would like you to upload a more formal one-page proposal for the public's consideration. Each student needs to submit his or her one-page proposal. This one-page proposal counts 20% towards your final grade. And the deadline will be on 16:55 on April 28, 2021. So I think many of you are interested in how to form a group. So the group project counts 50% towards your final grade, and you should work with your fellows in the same tutorial group. This is because we will work on the group project during the tutorials. So be proactive, and let's form groups of 2 to 3 students. What you can do is, we can form groups during a tutorial time slot, or you can write a post on the course forum to ask students whether you can work with them together. So that's all about the group project. If you have any questions, feel free to make good use of the course forum or send email to me or ask during the tutorial. See you guys soon.